Hi guys, Ross here from Pamtree. Here in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create message templates. Firstly, log into your account, and the first thing you'll want to do if you're going to be going to be creating a template that's going to include a trackable link is you'll want to go to your resource area. And from your resource area, you'll want to add the resource that you'll be using in your templates. So that could be, as you can see here, a 5-minute video where I talk about the opportunity, or here I've got a YouTube video. So I'd simply click Add New Resource. In here, let me do an example. Business opportunity video. For this, I'm just going to, you can put a description in. It's good to fill this information out so that when your resources start to grow, you'll be able to tell what everything is without having to open it up or watch it. So let me just click here and put prospecting, and then I could upload a file if I wanted to, but for this I'm just going to put a URL. Let's just put the Pamtree website as an example. So I would just paste that in there, and then I could tag that. So for example, if that's going to be a business presentation, I'd give that there. Click Add New. There we go. So it's the business opportunity video that I've just added. Well, obviously it's a link to the website, but it would be that if, for example, I was linking it to a YouTube video. Once your resources are added, go to Messages, click Send New Message. From here, you've got either emails, which allows you to send bulk emails to your contacts with email addresses, or you've got other messages where you can send individual contacts messages via any other channel you want. The way in which the templates work is the same on both, so I'm just going to show you on other messages. So we come in here. Here I can see any templates I've already put in. But if I want to create a new one, all I do is I put the message down here. So hi, rather than having to change it and put everyone's first name in each time, I'll just select from the personalization first name. And what that will do is that will pull the person's first name every time I create message, whoever I select as the contact. So I'm selecting Ross, so when I go to send the message, that will say hi Ross. And if I just put, please take a look at this exciting business opportunity. Please ignore this message. Obviously, it's just for demo purposes. Speak to your upline, or if you want best practice guidance, or other people within your company. I'm sure you'll probably already have certain kind of recommendations on a kind of template or a way to kind of influence people's decision when writing a message. So this exclude the text that I've put here. This is just an example. And so once you put the message in, I would want to insert the resource that I've put. So here we can see it's that business opportunity video. So I click insert, click that, and that's put it in here. So let me just finish off the message. I'll give this a name, business opportunity. And then all I do here, if I was going to send the message, obviously I would add tags as well. So I'll just put that there, and I can click Save as Template. When I do this, you can give it categories if you've set categories up. So as you get more messages in there, you might want to separate them for prospects, retailing, personal, etc. For this purpose, I'm just going to give it a name without a category. So if I call it business presentation, and then what I do is click create message. The message will pop up ready for me to send to Ross. As you can see, it's already it's already put the personalization in, so it's sent to Ross. But I'm going to just close this, and you'll see that next time I go back in here and I look here, we can see business presentation. If I click that, it pre-populates the message with the saved message from the template. All I need to do now is select the contact it's going to that time, and then again give it the message title, and then I'll be able to send that also to Ryan. So it saved me time again having to write this out. However, I understand that there is always a need to kind of personalise it to that individual. So you can, without messing with a template, personalise that message before it gets sent to that contact. So I could put, I'm pleased to hear you had a great time on holiday. And this obviously would all depend, this personalisation element would all depend on how they've responded to you. So don't feel that if you've got a template, you've got to stick completely to it. If anything, I'd advise not to. I'd advise keep the template as the foundation and then personalize each one before you send it. So that's it. That's how you create message templates in Pamtree.